Hey everyone, I'm Jomar D. Guzman. My activity as AI technology continues their rapid development, future professional needs to enhance their technological and personal skills to succeed in the labor market. Adaptability is considered one of the key competence as technologies are developing very quickly and require workers to adjust to something now quickly. Often other essential competence includes critical thinking and problem solving abilities as reflectional intelligence can't provide someone data, but only human can thoroughly assess the situations and make reasonable decisions, and good communication and team skills and are also crucial for working which other individuals and explaining certain ideas. Moreover, digital literacy and knowledge about AI tools will become indispensable in many fields. Yun lamang po. Thank you.